5 Ways to Treat COVID Anxiety Syndrome. As COVID cases are on unprecedented surge these days, it is very important to wear mask and follow social distancing norms in your daily lives. Amid this corona crisis, some of you might be eager to get back to the office or reunite with friends, others have some kind of anxiety due to all this crisis-like situation. So, if you are suffering from COVID anxiety syndrome or from social awkwardness, follow below tips to get rid of all this. 5 tips for getting back out there after social distancing. It is very important to keep your mental health as good as possible. Follow these 5 tips to remove anxiety and stress associated with COVID. 1. Communicate your comfort levels. COVID-19 pandemic has changed our social norms. People have different comfort levels in varying social situations, and you don't know about their comfort level until you ask. To avoid unnecessary anxiety, figure out what your friends are comfortable with while making plans to hang out. By this way, you won't have to deal with the awkwardness. Related links. Coronavirus latest, beware of these lesser-known COVID-19 symptoms. What are the new symptoms added during the second strain? 2. Start small. For those who have developed new social anxiety since the start of the pandemic, there is a suggestion to take it slow as you start to do more. Start your social interactions with one small step at a time and you'll likely discover it gets a little easier with each step. If you are not ready for a full-blown social engagement, start with one-on-one meetings before moving on to group hangouts. 3. Prioritize the people you're close to. Do not feel pressured to reconnect with every friend, acquaintance, and co-worker within a week of becoming fully recovered or vaccinated. So you should prioritize getting together with the friends they're most comfortable around first. After that, you should be better prepared to make conversation with other people. 4. You're allowed to say no. After more than a week or month of practicing social distancing, you may feel pressure to make up for lost time. Don't be afraid to say no when you feel burnt out or block out alone time in your schedule to stop yourself from saying yes to too much too soon. It's completely normal to need time to recharge yourself, especially if you're out of practice. 5. Understand you're not alone. If you are feeling too awkward about being alone, the good news is that you're not alone. Your friends and acquaintances are also learning how to interact and reconnect with others in this pandemic. Be honest about that feeling, as acknowledging the awkwardness of a situation can ease the tension and the other person would also understand your problem and will likely be grateful.